everyone, welcome back to the channel and thank you for stopping by. Today's gonna be somewhat of an update video talking about exactly what the heck we got going on with this truck and what our plans are. Definitely please forgive me if some of the videos for the channel are kind of slacking. It is because I am working on a project directly with Kroil, a video series with them that I'm very excited about. It's a big step in the channel and it's gonna be awesome, you guys. Just trust me, wait for it, it's gonna be great. But far as the truck goes, we have a lot going on that we are going to be taking care of. We're going to be taking the bumper off completely. We're going to be taking that in and putting it as a powder coat. The leaf springs, we're going to be taking the leaf springs off as well, and those are going to be sent in for powder coat. We then also will be taking our traction bar kit off and taking a look at it. They might need to be re-powder coated since they are off, and we'll send that in also. We will not have to take off the Curt receiver hitch. That will be able to stay on, but we are going to be rolling out the axle and taking that out completely so that we can work on that rear axle separately out from underneath of the truck so that we don't have to work on it underneath the truck. We will be taking this off because we don't need this. This is for the evaporation canister I recently found out, so I will cut this off and just get rid of it. It doesn't need to be there. No need for it. Why have it? And of course, one of the big things that we're going to take care of is our fuel sending unit. This thing is nasty, and while it's this easy to take care of, we might as well take care of it right away and get it out of here and put a new one in. Yes, I have my AirDog lift pump, and yes, that's what I use for my fuel, but it is nice to know that it will be able to tell me my fuel levels. That's pretty much all it really is. It's a very expensive fuel float. And of course, we will be taking care of the entire rear frame. We are going to be grinding it down completely all the way down to the steel as good as we can get it, and then we're going to coat the frame as is without the axle on it, and then we'll roll the axle back on, put it all together with the leaf springs, the traction bars, throwing the bumper back on, and getting this thing back together in a much better condition than it is right now. Now, like I said, I do have a lot going on with this truck back here, and please bear with me through this process. It's going to be a long journey. It's going to be an exciting process. We're gonna have a crunch time till winter time. I should have started this about a month ago, but I started it now, and you know what? It is what it is. I did get my cab corners and my rockers, as you see here, from Ray Buck. I'm actually extremely surprised at how quick I got those, you guys, just for your guys' sake of what you can expect from them. I ordered them on a Tuesday, and I do believe I got them Thursday afternoon. So absolutely insane turnaround, insane shipping. All said and done, I'm at $503 with shipping on those parts. So therefore, what you know, I'm not exactly sure how the inners look. I did not order the inners. Until we get the outer rocker panels taken off and cut out is when we'll look at the inners. And if I have to order the inners at that time, that's when we'll order them. Now, like I said, we have a lot going on with this truck, and please go ahead and like this video. If you are enjoying this process and will enjoy this process, please subscribe if you want to see more, because it is going to be a long series. We've got a lot to do on it. I'm going to show every step of the way. I'm actually going to try and log how much I have spent as well, if I can do that for you guys, to see exactly what you may kind of estimate cost, even with the new box, of what you'll be looking to spend if you do all the labor yourself, including all the miscellaneous parts and pieces that you have to install on the truck when you do something like this. Now, there are things that are going to add up over time, like bolts and bushings and stuff like that. All that is going to add up over time when it comes to doing something like this, some type of restoration, you could say. But like I said, I'm going to try and log absolutely everything for you guys that I spend on this truck in this process. One thing before we go, I wanted to say a big thank you to all the support for the t-shirts. It has been outstanding. I did not expect that type of support. I'm all set up to take more orders. Until I get my website set up, you're going to have to go ahead and message me on Instagram or TikTok, and that's just going to be the way we're going to have to order it for right now, and like I said, until I get that website set up. So make sure you go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you want to see more, and stay tuned for Thursday.